production equipment uses a lot of power. Installing power monitors into production equipment to visualize power use allows you to track wasted power and make improvements. Our KMPM power monitors have 3 winning features that make them easy to install in your production equipment. The first is KMPM's ability to be retrofitted to existing systems with minimum impact. KMPM is just 38 millimeters wide, small enough to be easily installed in control panels with little space to spare. It also supports Ethernet communication, so it can easily connect to production equipment and to your tools via Ethernet IP or Modbus TCP. The second feature is that it complies with global standards, so there's no need to worry about which model to use. It supports a broad range of power systems from 100-volt single-phase to 480-volt three-phase, so it can measure power for all types of equipment. And they're certified to meet leading international standards, which means they can be used in production equipment all over the world. The third feature is its cost-cutting multi-circuit measurement capabilities. With its 4 inputs, a single KMPM unit can monitor multiple circuits, which means less costs. For example, it can measure up to 4 single-phase 2-wire circuits. In the case of single-phase 3-wire or 3-phase 3-wire circuits, a single KMPM unit can monitor up to 2 circuits. When working with a mix of single-phase 3-wire and single-phase 2-wire circuits, a single KMPM unit can monitor 1 single-phase 3-wire circuit and 2 single-phase 2-wire circuits, a total of 3 circuits. These 3 winning features make KMPM power monitors easy to install in your production equipment. KMPM power monitors coming in October 2025. Please give them a try.